Hi, this is Mr.CIVILOPEDIA. Welcome to the first episode of AutoCAD series, and in this video we are going to see how to set up a page in AutoCAD, and this is the first step of AutoCAD before starting a drawing. So do watch the video fully. Let's get into the video. Step 1, we need to set the unit first. So units are the most important factor in a drawing. We need to know with which unit we are working. So if it is mm, that is millimeter, meter, centimeter or feet and inches, anything it may be. So we will set the units first. Type UNITS and click this, yes. So we need to set the type as engineering and set the precision as 0, yes, this one, and check the scale units to be inches, yes, it's already in inches. So now click OK. Step 2, we need to set the limits. Limits is nothing but the frame which you are going to work with. So type LIMITS and click this, yes. Now type 0 feet, 0 feet and press enter. Now type 100 feet, 100 feet and now press enter. And we have set the limits. So you can now click Z and press enter and then A. Step 3, we need to set up the dimension style. So dimension style is nothing but the measurement line. So this is the one we are talking about. So we can customize the arrow size, line color, text font, etc, etc. So we will set that now. Type DIMSTYLE, DIMSTYLE, click this one. Now click modify. So in Windows you will have this option here. So but this is Mac. The procedure is same everywhere, so click modify. And now we need to press the first option, line, and now click the color. So you can choose any color in this. We can choose the green one, okay. So you can choose the line weight. So press manage, go to load, and now click this option. So you can choose this line, press add, and then you can click OK. Yes, so now you can choose the line weight here. So we don't need any line weight, so we will keep it as by block. And now we need to click the color in extension line. So this is the extension line, so we need to choose the color for it. So we will choose red here, okay. So we can also change the line type in this, so we will choose this. And for the extension line 2, we will choose that 2. And you can also choose the line weight for this, but we don't need that. And this box is nothing but you can enable this to hide the extension line. So you can just click here. So if you click this dimension line box, you will just hide the dimension line here. So now we will choose the next option, symbols and arrows. So in this option you will choose the arrowheads first. So what is an arrowhead? So arrowhead is nothing but it's this one, the front portion of the arrow. So you can choose the arrowhead. So we will choose the arrowheads now. So we will first choose oblique, and then we will choose the leader option. So what is a leader? A leader is nothing but the arrow line that can be drawn in the drawing page. So in this you can choose the arrowhead. So we will just choose the closed fill line here. So you can now choose this arrow size here. So you can choose anything. We will choose 2 feet here, okay. So you don't need to touch the break line or anything else here. So we will just go to the next option. So we can choose the text option here, and now we can customize the look of the text. So choose the text style and click on this dotted button. So we can just search for simplex, so it will look good. Simplex, type simplex, and then now choose it and click apply, close. Yes, now we can see that text font, it's good. And now choose the color to green, and you can fill the color too, but you don't need that. I'll just show you how. So you can fill the color with this. so we can choose blue. We don't need that fill color now, so we can keep it as none. And now you can choose the text height. It's already 2 feet, it's good. So we can also adjust the placement of the text here, above or centered or outside, anything you want, so you can just place it. So now you can just set the horizontal extend line, so it's okay, it's set up. And now the next thing you can choose is alignment. So what is an alignment? You can align this text anywhere you want. So if you want to keep it horizontal this way, or you want to keep this aligned with the dimension line, or you can keep it in an ISO standard, so anything you can keep. So the next thing is fit option. So you can choose this fit option to be always keep the text between extension lines, so this will be correct. So the next option is primary units. So in this you can choose the linear dimension. First thing, you can choose the unit format as engineering and choose the precision, and yes, we are good to go with this. And so what is this alternate units? So you can just choose another dimension to be displayed in your drawing, so it will be displayed in a bracket like this if you enable this. So now we can just choose the unit format as decimals, because we are going to go with the meter here. So we'll choose the decimal format and precision as 0.00. So what is this multiplier of alt units? So you can type in the conversion unit in this. So if you want to change it to meter, so we are going to change it to meter now. So from inch to meter, 1 inch is equal to 0.0254 meter. So we will type 0.0254 here. So now we are okay with this. So now it will be converted to meter in the bracket. So we have chosen the right thing now. Okay, so next thing is tolerance. We don't need to touch that, so we'll click OK and go for the next option, and then we can click set current here. So if you have Windows, you will have the set current here, and now click close. So yes, so I'm going to measure a line with this so that we can see the dimension style here. Yes, okay, I have measured the line and it's showing me 59 feet and almost 9.3 inch, and it's 18.22 meter here. So that's it. So this is the first step of AutoCAD before starting a drawing. So if you like this video, press the like button and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.